Hi, Ellen. Thanks so much for allowing us to give a quick vignette of where the field and where we are and how RDCRN was absolutely instrumental to get us where we are. When we started in 2009, rare glomerular disease management was reactive management of an end-stage kidney disease. And today we have early intervention, better prevention, individualized therapy, improved patient-centered care, facilitating new technologies, system care delivery reforms, and new drugs in this place. When we started, we had one trial active per year. We have now 46. The network is critical in helping to define disease, to help to define treatable targets, to bring these targets towards early, mid, and late-stage clinical trials. We just got a new set of outcomes approved by the FDA and have really been able to bring, as Bas so nicely said, with a key convener of RDCRN, a community together to really maximally synergize all of the effort and expertise we have. We've been very fortunate that we were able to build a public-private partnership platform up, which currently has engaged 5 large pharma partners to support our efforts since we graduated from RDCRN. Next slide gives you a quick summary of how we set out the work and how we in stages delivered on our promises. That in the first 5 years, we built really the translational precision medicine infrastructure for our diseases up. So next 5 years, we utilize this deep multiscalar data information approaches to define mechanistically distinct subgroups. And then since 2020, we are bringing targeted therapies to those patients. Next slide. The philosophy really started out from the unique opportunity we have in kidney disease to use kidney biopsy-centered molecular phenotypings of our patients to study the disease, leveraging the rapidly evolving systems biology frameworks across the networks, now coming with the targeted therapy frameworks in play. And the beauty is with this knowledge environment now in the open science, open data domain available to everybody around the world, we are seeing the rapidly expanding therapeutic scope. Together with a molecular understanding of the diseases, we can bring the right patients into the right trials with our NEPTUNE match framework, which obviously significantly increases the efficiency of the study rollout, execution, and clinical implementation. Next slide. And in that setting, really is a framework which now is operational across North America and with sister networks in Europe, instrumental as well, that we really can bring the promise of the right drug for the right patients at the right time to our study participants around the network. What is clear to everybody in our community that RDCRN is absolutely instrumental to have that lift of funding. And yes, only a fraction of what you are seeing here has been RDCRN funded, but without RDCRN, we would not have been able to establish a framework which now can leverage a multitude of additional opportunities to bring to our patients in need. So really, thanks so much for all what you have facilitated. And if our data generation, data mining, and data sharing instruments can be of use of the current network, feel free to reach out to us anytime.